Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader. It's Thursday night, November the 4th. Market had a big day today, made new two-year highs, and the hits just keep on coming, but we'll keep playing them until we see a dramatic turn to the downside and a reversal of fortunes. But for now, shorts and ultra shorts just aren't working, and but that could change rapidly. We'll see. In any case, let's look at some of the stocks that worked for us in the last few days that are looking real good here. ASYS had a significant day today, jumping $1.56, 9%, 370,000 shares, the heaviest volume in a couple weeks. Broke out of this wedge, back across its moving averages after holding the trend line moving average support, and right now it looks like the stock could move into the 23-4 zone, which is our trading target short term. Brigham Explorations had an excellent day today, moving to new all-time highs at 23.49. Backed off, but still up 96 cents, up 4% today, and volume started coming in very well too. Top of the channel, up around the $26 range. Looks like where the stock could be headed, and that's what we'll set for our trading target. Up next, CGNX, Cognex, which popped 2 days ago, backed off yesterday, and then today came on again a little bit. Looks like it wants to go. We have a target up in the mid-30s. That's our trading target for CGNX going forward. A representative of the gold stocks, which are flying here, is GORO, Gold Resource. Stock apparently wants to continue to move higher. As this pullback here held support, moved back up in volume today, jumping $1.79 or 8%, and now is going to retest this high up around 25. A move through that gets us to the 29 area, and that's our trading target. Hyperdynamics, which had moved up dramatically in September and October from about 1 to 3.5, pulled back over the last couple weeks, held support, bounced sharply today for 16% of 42 cents. Overhead resistance around 4 at our first trading target, and second target around 5.25, 5.5. Ion Geophysical had a big move today. Popped across key resistance with a surge of 95 cents or 18.5% on 8 million shares, the heaviest volume this year. And then that looks like it's challenging the April-May tops up around the 6.5 area, but we have a target beyond that around $7. Jazz Pharmaceuticals had a breakout a couple days ago, backed off with an inside day yesterday, and today surged from 12.05 to 12.70 before closing back at 12.40. But in the aftermarket, after earnings were released, the stock's trading higher. It looks like it's going to test this 13.75 range and then perhaps make it up to the $17 range beyond that. That's our secondary target. Candy Corp broke out today, surging for almost 7.7% on almost 700,000 shares, but more importantly, on technicals surge, and several of the other technicals acted very well today. It looks to me like this stock is headed towards the $8 range at this point. LDK Solar broke out of a wedge yesterday, and today extended out a little bit, but it's in a nice rising channel. Top of that channel target, let's call it 16, 16 and a half zone. Up next, Smith Micro Software, which broke out with a big 2 million share thrust, up 19%, 239, and it broke through a bunch of overhead resistance in this area. Looks like it could make a run at the $20 range, which was reaching 07, and that's what we'll set as a trading target. Telecommunication Systems today poked its head out above the wedge that it formed. Volume surged to the biggest in a month, and the stock closed up just 3% or 17 cents, back off the high. But I think the stock at this point is going to make it up past this level and move into the 7.25, 7.5 area. Europlastics UPI broke out yesterday, followed through nicely today, up another 5.5%. Technical surging, the stock looks like it's an excellent long-term potential for a move into the low teens, but for now we'll set a target at around $8. And last today is WNR, recent swing trade pick. Broke out of this 3-week coil and popped today for 62 cents, or almost 9% on 4 million shares. Right now looking for follow through extension. He gets it up to A+, but eventually looking for $10 on WNR. That's it for today. HB out. I'll talk to you Monday.